How can you define a simple route in Laravel, and what would be a real-life example? A simple route in Laravel is the most basic way to map a URL and an HTTP request method like GET or POST to a specific action. This action can be a simple function or a method within controller. It's the fundamental building block for define how your application responds to web request. So sa syntax niya is route, get, URI, and may action. A great like example niya is an about us page. When a user navigates to HTTPS and you want to show them the about page, the route for this would like use illuminate support page package route. So how do anim routes work in Laravel, and how might you use them in a real world application? Name routes allows you to assign a unique, easy to remember name to a route definition. Yung main benefits niya is you can generate URLs or create redirects using this name instead of hard-coding the URL path. This makes your application much easier to maintain. For a real-world application niya, imagine you have a user profile page. You might link to this page from many different places. The navigation bar and the user dashboard or a comment section. Number 3. What is the purpose of route groups in Laravel, and how might they be used? So sa route groups are a powerful features that allows you to apply the same attributes like middleware of URL prefix to multiple routes at once. This helps you avoid repeating code and keeps your route files organized. So instead of applying yung mga rules niya to every single route individually, pwede mo na siyang i-group. How does middleware work in Laravel? And you can provide a practical example. Middleware acts as a filter or a series of layers that an HTTP request must pass through before it reaches the intended controller or closure. So, think of it like security at an airport. Before you can get your flight, the controller, you must pass through check-in and security screening, the middleware. So each middleware can inspect the request and decide to pass it along, reject it, or even modify it. So ang practical example niya is creating an age check middleware for a website that sells alcohol. So sa number 5, how can you handle from submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? So sa paghandling ng submission sa Laravel, you typically create a form in your view that sends data using post request to a specific route. That route then pass the request data to controller method for processing. So sa CSRF or cross-site request forgery, yung web security vulnerability where malicious website can trick user browsers into performing an unwanted action on a trusted site where the user is currently logged in. So, ito ang example ng mga kung paano siya nag-work. So, Laravel generates a unique secret token for every user session. So, you can create a form and pwede mong gamitin yung @csrf blade directive. This automatically adds a hidden input filter form containing that secret token. When the form is submitted, Laravel verify CSRF token. Middleware intercept the request and compares the token from the form with the one stored in the user session. So, kung nag-match yung token, the request is allowed to proceed. Kapag hindi, mare-reject yung pagkuhan ng ng attack. So, should I say preventing the attack?